Oh, it's beautiful here. Beautiful. Hello everyone, Mami Sonic here ulit. Kumusta kayo guys? Ako okay lang naman, andito kami sa kabundukan. Nasa liblib kami ng kabundukan dahil hinahanap namin yung magandang trail na kung saan pwede kaming mag-walk exercise na maganda ang tanawin. Kaya eto, sana hindi kami naliligaw. Sabi ni Mr. natatandaan pa daw niya ang papunta doon. Kaya magtiwala lang tayo sa kanya guys. Tara, samahan nyo kami. Is it close? Stop.
I wonder what's up there. You should take your jump back up there.
Yeah, maybe there's a place here for your bike.
Nice little reservoir.
Oh wow, look at that guys. I can't see it from here yet. Are we close? Oh, this is a beautiful bridge. We should bring our bicycle. Look, I see people with a bicycle. Oh wow, this is interesting bridge. Wow, look at that. Is that the 281?
Yeah.
Oh, I always pass through there, but I've never seen the lower part of it.
Here's parking.
Isn't it the Crystal Spring?
I see a spot right there.
Oh, there's a lot of people with the cars parked.
Soil camp trail.
Yeah. Oh, it's right here. Perfect parking. Oh, thank you, Lord. Would you believe that we found parking right away? Right? It must be meant to be. Ayan guys, nandito na nga kami at papasok na. Ang pangalan pala nitong trail nito ay Sawyer Camp Trail. At ayun si Mr. Mapa kaagad ang hinahanap. Yan ang gusto ko sa kanya guys. Sa tuwing kami pupunta sa mga park, mapa ang kailangan niya dahil takot siyang maligaw. Oh wow, ang ganda-ganda ng paligid guys. Ito pala ay reservoir. Kung sa Tagalog ay imbakan. Imbakan ng tubig, o diba? Meron din kami nito sa probinsya namin, yung tinatawag nilang Magat Dam, o diba? Ang ganda ng panahon. Grabe. Thank you Lord sa magandang panahon at sa opportunity na kami ay makakapag-ehersisyo. Salamat. Napakabait ng Panginoon. Tara na guys, ipagpatuloy natin ang ating pag-walk exercise para sa ating kalusugan. Let's go! There's a bench right here.
Okay.
You wanna sit down?
Some people pass by.
Oh yeah.
You'll probably find lizards here, right?
Let's take a break.
Habitat that animals are trying.
Nagdidiskusyon itong mag-ama ko dahil ang sabi ng anak ko, mayroon daw siyang naririnig na buzzing sound. Duda niya, yun daw fence na nakita namin dyan sa baba ay may kuryente. At ayun si Mr. lumapit sa fence, sinubukan niyang hawakan para ipakita niya sa anak niya na hindi totoo yung kanyang hinala. O diba?
It would not electrify it once around the reservoir.
So my son thinks it's a wire, but
We're not in North Korea. Kids go, look at this, and zap.
they don't do that here in America, son. Is it
There's
public?
a buzzing noise.
Is this a public trail?
That's a park. Soil
There's a
camp.
buzzing noise right here.
Oh,
Is it the wind going through the fence, making a sound, vibrating?
beautiful here, guys. Let's go. Let's move on.